Let's look at make offer part 2. So what this part does is, since we have already located all those interesting houses, we cannot make offers to all those interesting houses. We have to choose the most expensive house, because all the interesting houses are affordable to the buyer. So we will choose the most expensive one because we assume the price equals to quality. The higher price, the better quality. So we naturally will choose more expensive house. The first step we will take is to look at the number of interesting houses, compare with how many houses the buyer has efforts, has energy to check. If the number of interesting houses is way too many, then the number of houses which the buyer has time to check, then we will only select randomly this amount of houses among the interesting houses. Okay, we will not look at every interesting houses. And if those interesting houses do exist, then we will try to find one of the house with the maximum sale price. Okay, we find that house with maximum sale price and we assign it to a local property called property, a local variable called property. And if this property is a house type, house class, then we will ask this house to assign the current owner as the buyer to offered to. Okay, the offered to is a house property. And we save the buyer, the owner, inside this offered to variable. And this offered to variable is a property belongs to the house we choose with the maximum sale price house, which is also called a property. And then we will save the date, the time when the offer is made. The time is calculated by ticks, and we save ticks into a property called offer date. And this property is a house property, belongs to the property house. And finally, we can assign the house, the property, the house itself, the house we choose, we offer price on. We save the house to an owner's property called made offer on. It's on a house, so that house is saved under this variable. So far we have finished make an offer function. This is what the offer function does.